truck. This one did not come from Hobbies Direct. This one's only about $100, so I cheaped out on the dump truck because it's a dump truck. Put dirt in it, take it to where it needs to go, dump it out. Unless something fails on this, I won't bother upgrading to a different truck. I'm going to detail it just like I did with the other one and that, but I don't see a point in, because the full metal version of the same brand, the Halula brand, was like $300-400. So I was like, $100, you know. And it's very much, it looks pretty much like the same truck than the other brand. It looks like they come from the same factory, basically. So, go figure. Give it a open. Look at our controller. It's a PlayStation style controller. Very light, very cheapish feeling. And we've got our charger, a little screwdriver. I'm guessing the battery's inside of it because I don't see a battery. Okay. It's all plastic, all the way through. As I said, you can get a full metal version, but I just figured why bother? It's a dump truck. It doesn't have to be super smart. I'm guessing the battery's in here, or I'm hoping the battery's in here, because it wasn't in the box. Yeah, there's no battery. Let's plug her in, see if she's got any juju. On and off buttons on the bottom there. Inconvenient, it's better when they're at the back, so you can just reach down and click it. Let's get some batteries in here. Double A's. Reset the system. Okay, so no suspension at all. The suspension is the tyres. They're not that soft. I might be able to switch them out, we'll see. Proportional speed, that's good. So it's not just all of it at once. Guessing the steering's proportional too, yeah. Good. And we got up with the tipper, down with the tipper, off with the sound, off with the lights. Very simple truck, this one. But like I said, it's all I needed. I just needed to carry dirt and dump it where I need it to go. So there it is. Alright. Pretty simple truck. Let's have a look at the detail on it up close. See, we've got a full interior in this one. The other one that I've seen doesn't even have an interior. It's just they got blacked out windows. I like to have an interior. And for just under $100, I think it was, I paid. I'm not going to complain. It's pretty well detailed. You got your extra mirrors here. They're all little rubberized just in case you roll or whatever. Exhaust pipe, air filter, little toolbox at the back here. No, just a couple of little details, nothing crazy. It looks alright though, for $100. I actually thought it was going to be worse, to be honest. And got happy with it. The only thing I could see being a problem is them tyres. If I could get some squishier tyres, that would act as suspension. And I'll try and see what I can do about that. It looks like they're the similar sort of wheels that are on the other truck, how they're not like proper rims. They're kind of this weird shape. They're like wide on the outside, wide on this sort of width on the outside, and then on the inside of the wheel it's even thinner. See, the rim's even thinner, so it's not, so it comes down, you know what I mean, if that makes sense. But yeah, whatever. But yeah, it's what I expected, so I'm not disappointed. I'm gonna detail the truck, make it look used, get rid of this dump truck because that's real scale. Make it look a little bit, try to make it a little bit more realistic if I can, you know, make it a little bit cooler. All right, we'll be back. Well, here it is after a bit of a paint job. Didn't really do much to it. A little bit of detailing here and there. Did the lines and all that sort of stuff, but yeah, put a little bit of weight inside. I took the whole thing apart, had a look at it. It's pretty, yeah, inside, there's not much to it. I put some weights inside these, some more lead inside these on either side, give it a bit more weight to make it a bit better, but apart from that, I didn't really do much. So a little bit more detail. I didn't do the interior, as it wasn't that easy to open it up, so I thought I'd just leave it as it is, just a dump truck. Only a cheap one. Alright, let's get her out there, get her working. Alrighty. Day 2 of RC gardening. Got the dump truck in on site. It's all ready to go. Front loader's back. We got to here last time, so if I step back, we started over here. We got just a little over halfway on the service road on the first day. I had to move some agapanthus that were over here, move them over up there so they're out of the way for the rest of the pond. So today I'm going to try and finish this road all the way into the pond so the trucks can get into the pond and dig out further. And I'll need to finish this service road going along the top here, and that also needs to come back this way. So then the dump truck, or any trucks, can do like a full loop and be out of the way of each other when they're moving around, and I don't have to keep reversing back and forth as well. So yeah, I'm going to try and get the bottom service road done, and as much as the top of I can get done. I don't know whether I'll get that done today. That's probably all I'm going to try and do today, and then I've got to wait for the excavator. Is the only other truck that I'm going to get. They're not in stock at the moment. Hobbies Direct doesn't have any. Can't really seem to find anyone anywhere else, so I'm just waiting for them to come in stock. But then whilst I'm waiting for that, there's a bit of work here to do, and I need to get some stuff for this pond, like a liner, maybe move this plant. It's probably going to happen, so I've got more space for the pond. Because I don't want it to just be a round pond, I want to make it a shape so it looks cool. I need to put in some footings for the bridge, and I also need to make the bridge, which is that wood over there. So still a bit of work to do whilst I wait for the excavator anyway. So, and then once I've done that, we've still got all this to do to rebuild, to make that look a little bit better, presentables. But yeah, and I might even have to get some more gravel, which I'm probably going to grab from over there where the wood is, and I'll do like a quarry situation where I can grab gravel from here, drive it along here all the way to the pond and dump it and make the dam wall bigger, sort of thing, if I need to, if I feel like that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, alright, let's get to doing this road.